Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One. It's Wednesday, November the 8th, the year 2017. I was in class all day yesterday. That's why you didn't get a video yesterday, in case you're wondering. Today I'm gonna just, I've gotten some questions, so I guess I'll just answer them. So let's just dive in here. I got a question about an indicator I modified a while ago. Actually, nope, this isn't it. This is the wrong one. They wanted to know about a different one. Well, since we got this one up there, I guess it's, I'm not quite awake yet, but that's okay. The Fibos, however you want to call it, the Fibos indicator. It just plots a fib based on highs and lows, as you can see here, automatically. Then if you change this resolution, it just automatically finds the highs and lows for what you're looking at and plots the fibs. No big deal, right? And I think one of my modifications was to put in these comments, give you the percent in range so you know exactly where price is and the range here. And I'm pretty sure it works just fine on the different time frames. But this isn't the one they were asking about. So let's take that one off the chart. They were asking about this one. No, not that one. Where is it? Fib generator. That's what they were asking about. And I guess I just did my usual. Oops. I exited it. Wrong. Fib generator. Let's just hit that. Okay, explain this indicator. Well, I think this is one of those ones that deals with waves. You got A, B, B, C, C, D. And once again, it just plots the fibs for those distances. So you can see A to B is blue, B to C is, I guess that's magenta, and then C to D is in yellow. And once again, and you've got X here. So you've got X to A to B, B to C, C to D, and then AB divided by XA, and then they project where CD is going to wind up. So I don't really know exactly if there's anything else I can say about this indicator. It's just simply a fib projection, fib plotting indicator. And once again, it'll work on all the different time frames. And so for those people who talk about trends, you can see AC, there's a trend line there, BC, or BD rather, and there's a trend line there. And then I guess this B to C is just the wave line right there. So it's not really rocket science. Let's see. I don't even really need to look at the code, tell you the truth. It's just, I mean, that's what it is. It's just a fib generator. What else do we have here? I can't see, what was the other question? I think somebody had asked earlier about confirmations. I believe I explained that. And then there's just the usual questions about the zones. And I guess maybe I'm too close to things, because to me it's just like, well, it's just this, this, and this, but you know, I forget. You know, it's been so long since I was a newbie that, you know, people have to grasp some of the concepts before they can move on. You know, we talked about price action the other day, but you know, the whole idea about a zone for me is it's an area where if the price gets in it, the price is going to leave it, and you just want to take the trade as price leaves the zone. So for example, I think at the beginning of the week we looked at the weeklies, and I believe, if I remember correctly, we were doing the dollar yen. And what happened was, at that time on Sunday, price had exited the previous upper wick for that week right there. So you see price exited, but then it came back down the other way. So it exited that upper wick zone. So that was one possible short. Then it crossed over the daily open into the buy zone area. So the buy zone would have given you another opportunity to go short. This magenta dot here, that's the previous midpoint, previous week's midpoint. There was another opportunity to go short. Once again, all of these being horizontal line trades. And so the thing is, you don't know, price could go against you, you could hit your stop and you're out of the trade. That's called trading. It's going to happen. Okay? It's just that simple. Oh, and some people are asking about the donationals. Well, you know where you can go read about them. The reason I don't mention it's because I put these videos on various forums, and people, you know, one forum thought I was spamming because I was putting YouTube videos in my thread there. So I guess they'd rather see static charts. I don't know. So many people seem to like the videos more than, you know, just a screenshot of a chart. I guess maybe some people don't like the sound of my voice. That's understandable. But it just seems like it's more people like the videos. So as far as the donationals, that yeah, the 2017s have a have the new wick zones indicator. It has, and of course the dashboard, you can have it showing the zones. Let's see, like this one has breakout. Well, let's just go in here and we can add a couple of zones. Dashboard, let's just come down here. Let's see, up low, that's H, so right here we can put column, we can just call it column 1, and we can put in the holo zone indicator period. Let's do H1, and then let's see, J column, we can put, just stack them in there. We can do a wick zone. Let's do D1 again, and then here column L, let's do the buy zone and the daily once again, except here we have to have a threshold. Let's put 7 pips. And so you see we got the buy zone, wick zone, holo zone. So right now, no H1 holos. Let's see, buy zones, any, okay, what do we have here? Euro. yen. Okay, let's see. Euro. Oh, we're looking at, I got it on the weekly. That's why it was looking weird. Okay. So we've got, let's see, pound, or rather dollar franc, D1 plus. So you can see right here, the open was 990, 992, so it's going into the D1 buy zone right here. And if we switch over to the yen, you can see it's below. That's why it says L. Now we can look at the wick zones, see is there anything I like trading here. Okay, you can see that the dollar franc is in the upper wick zone. That's what that means. But we don't have any holos right now, at least not on H1. So to answer those donational questions, I hope that answers those. Other than that, I don't really think there was anything else pressing. I think somebody else wanted me to do a video on something else, so that'll probably come maybe tomorrow or the next day, Thursday or Friday this week, to try to answer people's questions as soon as possible. Sometimes I get busy and you have to wait, so I hope you can cut me some slack there. But, you know, once again, these are horizontal line trades, real simple stuff. Including the even the Fibonacci's. I mean, you're looking for pullbacks to certain areas, and once again, you're looking for the price action. You know, pretty much, which way did it go last? Did it go this way or this way? Well, no, it came down and went back up. So that means from this level, price is up. In that particular, you know, you had your 38 pullback off the high, then it came back up into this zone, went through here at the 23%, came all the way down to the 61%. So once again, it's just trading at lines. It's nothing, it's not rocket science. And as always, no squiggly line indicators were harmed making this video. So, fellow traders, remember, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. TheRumpledOne signing out to go drain the banks.